Welcome to CARDESIGN.ACADEMY and the beginning of our Gravity Sketch course. Today I'm just going to show you a little bit about file management and the use of co-creation. Now if you've taken one of our courses, you are now, you've been added to one of our co-creation groups. So as you launch Gravity Sketch, you'll see this co-creation icon to the far right of the main lobby. Click on it and you'll see all of the available co-creation rooms within the group. Now if I click on one of those rooms, and say Launch Room, it'll take a moment to load. So now I have my Italian coupe in a co-creation space. Now, as you can see, other users have come in and they've been experimenting with the same model and doing some other sketches and such. Now, when we meet as a group, you will see other users. You'll see them with their visors, you'll see their positioning, and you'll hear their voices, and you'll be able to speak freely with them. And you'll see that in a few moments. To exit a co-creation room, click on the blue button on the left, click on Save, and then click on Exit to Lobby. That takes you back to your main lobby.